Listen, nobody likes losing money, especially when the market crashes hit hard, erasing years of work in minutes. The panic, the frustration, that gut-wrenching feeling of helplessness when everything you built starts to crumble. It's brutal. And let's be honest, no matter how many charts you stare at or how many expert calls you follow, crashes feel like black holes. Totally unpredictable and unstoppable. That's the nightmare every founder, investor, and leader dreads. But here's the brutal truth. Hoping to predict crashes like some crystal ball trick is a trap that keeps you stuck and powerless. The question isn't, can AI predict market crashes? It's how can you use AI and data to build a defense so strong that when the crash comes, you're not just surviving, you're ready to strike back. First, forget the hype around AI magically forecasting precise crash dates. The market is a damn storm. Too complex, full of emotions, political risks, human panic, and unexpected shocks. No algorithm can see every lightning bolt before it hits. But AI can spot patterns, weaknesses, and hidden signals no one else can see if you set it up right. That means you stop guessing and start understanding. Here's what you do. Don't look for one signal. Build layers of AI-driven monitoring that track everything, from volatile asset flows to sentiment on social media, insider trading activity, and sudden credit spreads. Combine real-time market behavior with macroeconomic trends, and you get a multi-angle early warning system. That's your edge over the crowd. Second, don't just wait passively for AI alerts. Use those insights to build a flexible portfolio structure, think dynamic hedges, quick rebalances, and opportunistic cash buffers. AI tells you something's off. You act fast, trimming exposure or switching to safer assets before the panic fully kicks in. You become the one who bends, not breaks. Third, run your own scenario simulations constantly. Use AI to model what happens in different crash scenarios, even the wild ones no one expects. How does volatility jump? When do liquidity traps form? Where are your biggest blind spots? Adjust your positions and your risk limits based on that. If you do this well, even if a crash hits, you're not flying blind, you're a pilot ready for turbulence. And here's the catch that so many miss. This system is not set and forget. Crashes aren't regular events. They evolve from countless small cracks. AI gives you the pulse, but your job is to stay sharp, constantly questioning, learning, adapting. You have to merge the cold data with your gut, your market sense, your intuition sharpened by years of experience. No machine replaces that. It amplifies it. Lastly, refuse to be a lone wolf here. Crashes expose how fragile connection is between founders, investors, and market pros. The biggest survival and rebound stories come from those who share real-time insights, test new models, validate signals, and together build smarter defenses. You can't build this on your own anymore. This is brutal, fast, unforgiving work, and you need allies who get it. So stop chasing the fantasy of perfect prediction. Build the system that outworks the crash. Use AI not to predict the future like a crystal ball, but to read the weak spots, act before chaos spreads, and keep you standing when others fall. That's how the best founders and investors win. Not through luck. Through ruthless preparation, sharp tools, and the courage to act before the crowd freezes. If that feels overwhelming, good. It means you're ready to leave behind the noise and confusion that trap most people. This isn't about comfort. It's about taking control when everything else screams loss and panic. Because if you don't build that muscle, someone else will take your place, fast, and you'll be left watching the crash from the sidelines. So, get out there. Build that AI-powered, multi-layered crash defense. Stay sharp every single day. Connect with those who push you higher. And don't ever accept that market crashes own you. You own how you respond. That's the edge nobody talks about, but every winner lives by. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.